Hello everyone, so here's the app called BFF, Find My Friends and Phone. Sitting down and people just looking for alternatives for apps like Zenly. So yeah, here you can just explore that this is one of the possible alternatives. Uh, and yeah, it's like a social mapping app where you just have map, you can see where your friends are located, you can message them, you can have some security and privacy features and all of that. So yeah, let's just open the app. Here is how it looks like. You can easily create your account just with email address, and then you will just receive your confirmation code to your email, and then you're set. So super easy. And then yeah, you just can see your location. You can see like if you're online or what's your charging, where you currently located. Then you can just tap to add friends in the top right, and then there are multiple ways to add friends: by BFF ID, by scanning profile card, by email, by phone number, by contacts, or you can just invite your friends. So for example, by BFF ID, if you just know someone's username, you can just invite friends like that. And you can invite friends from all around the world. So if you just know friends, you just see in here. And in the bottom, you see this little icon that says friend request. So that's where you can see your friend request. You can also just scan the profile card here. You can also then invite by entering the email, a phone number, or just syncing your contacts and trying to invite friends by your contacts. Yeah, so there you have it. Then you just, there is your account. It's very basic because this app is, I think, is just being developed right in the process. Zenly apps shut down, and yeah, so a lot of other apps are just basically trying to figure out alternatives pretty fast. So there you have it. So yeah, you can just change your photo by using camera or uploading current photo. So that's what you can do. Then coming soon, there will be like a current status update. And yeah, so again, you just in the bottom you can just tap to search your friends list, and then in the real time you will just see the location of your friends, how they're moving around and all of that. Then you just have like a message tab, and then you can just start a new chat with friends, but you need to have at least one friend available. So feel free to add me with just add me. This is my ID on this app. So yeah, feel free to add me like that. Or you can also share your profile and scan it via a QR code. And that's basically how it looks like. And then you can edit your BFF ID only once. So just bear in mind when you do that, because then, yeah, probably then you will still be able to change it maybe, but you will need to reach out to support many times, and it's like super problematic. So here you can just change it easily. And then yeah, you can just share this invitation to invite your friends easily. Also, when you create an account in this app, it offers you an option to import contacts from Zenly app. So yes, you can do that. So you can just go to settings, and then you can just see here how you can import Zenly friends to this BFF app. And yes, that can be super helpful actually, because yeah, if you allowed Zenly app and you had 50 friends there, it's like your contact book. So it can be pretty hard to add them all again. And then here you just have your account. You can add phone number if you want, and then if you tap on preferences, you can delete your account easily from here. So it's a bit hidden, but at least it's really good that you can delete your account right in the app. I actually like it a lot when apps allow you to delete your account right away. You don't need to reach out support chat and something like that. If you don't like the app and I want to delete my private data, I just can easily do it in the app. Then yeah, you can just customize your map style. There is satellite, for example, and then it just reloads like that. Or you can select Google Maps or Apple Maps. I mean, if you're using iPhone, I think it will be defaulting to Apple Map style. It's like kind of default option. Yeah, otherwise you just have yeah, these options. So yeah, that's the idea. Then there is like a theme. You can change theme here, like classic, charcoal, like pop. And then yeah, you can do it for free. So I just changed the theme, and then it's just changed like that. So as you can see, that's how it works. Then yeah, footprints. As you explore the world, footprints will leave a print to indicate that you have been to a particular location. New footprints can't be recorded in a real-time manner, whereas imported old footprint data may require a few days for our system to process. So yeah, that's the feature which you can enable. Some users also like when there is a bit more privacy, or there is some kind of ghost mode where you can hide your exact location where you are located in the app. But yeah, there you have it. Here you can just see that. Coming soon, ghost mode. So there you have it. It just says ghost mode. Ghost mode usually in these apps means that you can blur your location, for example, or you can show not exact location to your friends, and for some friends you can show exactly where you are right now, and for other people you can blur it, or you can freeze it, for example, that you can show that I was in this city like 5 days ago, but where I am now, you shouldn't see it. So yeah, it just adds a bit more like privacy element to it if you don't want like your friends to constantly see where you are located. So yeah, then there is like, if you need more help, there is a pretty helpful support section here which you can reach out to. Then you can yeah, probably just go and see some of the common features, because yeah, as I said, like this app seems to be developing pretty fast. There is another app called Woo app, which is also like one of alternatives to Zenly. I think there will be more, because Zenly app was actually pretty popular for niche community, and like its removal, yeah, it's a lot of users are pretty unhappy. So a lot of apps are just trying to develop all these features in the Russian way. So you will have both Android and iOS support. Actually, I don't think that this app is on Android yet. So probably it will be already when this video is published, or a bit later. Then yeah, you will see all these features with real-time location sharing, duration of stay, battery percentage, private messaging, satellite map style, zoom in out with one finger, friends of friends list, new app theme. Okay, so I think the features are already completed. Sorry. So yeah, coming soon, ghost mode, emoji, WhatsApp, and iOS widget is under development. So yeah, this app is on Android. Sorry for that. So that's already pretty cool. So you can get this app if you're using Android device. So yeah, that's just like a quick overview for you to have an idea of what this app is about. It's like a very basic version of Zenly app. So in case you're just looking for some meaningful alternative for Zenly, you can definitely give a try to this app. But it just depends if your friends are also using this app or not, or will it be hard to invite them to this app and migrate all of them. So yeah, if you just have a community, probably it's like you need to decide which app to choose. But yeah, as I said, this app has a really helpful feature to migrating your contacts from Zenly. Anyhow, hope that is helpful.